Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleveland. Here we go. This is a tutorial video. I gotta make this quick, you guys. My buddy's coming over to mix down a few songs, and for some reason it's like 1,000 degrees in here. Okay, heads up on the giveaway. The giveaway will be either on Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. So either 2 or 3 days from now, we'll be doing that giveaway. All right, this is the tutorial for that trick right there, the Holy Fan. Which, hang on. Looks like that. All right, that's the Holy Fan. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, or actually what I've been thinking. Not going to be easy to tell you guys how to do this. I'm going to give you kind of the road that I went down to get to it, and we'll see if you end up in the same place. A couple tricks you've got to learn. First, just to be familiar with this style of flipping, you got to learn the black belt. I do have a tutorial video for that. Little snap trick, looks just like that. Much more important is that you know the Huey. Now the Huey is a snap aerial. Should look like a helicopter. I haven't done it. Hang on. There's tornado. All right. Well, hang on. Let me dial in the Huey for a second here. Too fixated on this Holy Fan trick. All right. Well, anyway, watch a video of mine for the Huey. It should look like a helicopter where you got one handle is going to be hanging down in the air. The other handle and the blade are going to be rotating, right? You're looking for 2 rotations, and then the handles come back together. You catch them. Just like that. There you go. All right, now that's the Huey. That is a critical trick because the Holy Fan, really what you're doing is you're doing the Huey without this handle leaving your hand. So this is the tricky bit. This is really just a finesse trick is what it is. That's I think why it took me so long to figure this out is because it's so much just little fine-tuning details to hit this thing. So a couple things that will help, or at least one thing. Go like you're learn that snap aerial, the Huey. Learn that, and then when you go to try to hit the Holy Fan, really what you're trying to do is you're trying to throw that without this handle leaving your hand. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to flatten out your hand. And you are going to chase that handle. Wherever it goes, whichever direction it goes, you're going to be chasing it around, right? You've got to provide a base for it to stand up on. And you do want it to ideally stand straight up and down. Okay, so that is not an easy trick. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. I mean, you can see from me floundering around with it right here. Well, there it is, but not a simple trick. All right, so if you do have questions, hit me up. I'll try to help you with that, but really it's just a matter of practice on that one. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to try this. I just tried this a second ago, and it was not easy. All right, so kind of a first-person perspective with me leaning over the camera. All right, there's the black belt, right? So you got to learn that. The Huey more or less looks like that. I missed the catch. All right, so the Huey looks like that. This is really not easy. Okay, and then so that's basically what you're doing. So when you go to throw this Holy Fan, this isn't working at all. Let me try it a little bit side. So that's kind of what you're looking for. Your thumb is launching across that way, right? Your thumb is that way. So hopefully that'll help. Again, if you got any questions, hit me up. Maybe I can help. Maybe I cannot. Maybe it's just going to take you some time, or who knows. But anyway, there you go. Standard grip, straight to palm fan, the Holy Fan. All right, you guys, if you got any questions, again, hit me up. Try to dial you in. Otherwise, stay tuned. 2 or 3 days, we'll be on to that drawing. If you haven't entered the drawing, find a video of mine called Weird Balisong Giveaway, just a couple videos back. Leave a comment on that video. You'll be entered to win the cash, the glory, the cheap Chinese trainers. All right, we'll see y'all soon. Stay cool.